What if I told you that you could throw away every indicator on your chart except one? That instead of juggling 5 to 10 different tools, you could have everything you need for day trading built into a single, complete system. And what if this one indicator gave you trend direction, volume confirmation, and multi-market analysis all in one place? Sounds too good to be true, right? In this video, I'm going to show you the only indicator you'll ever need for day trading, the best settings for insane accuracy, and exactly how to use its 3 powerful components for consistent profits. Let's get into it. First, head over to TradingView and pull up any market you want. I'm using the 15-minute time frame on Eurodollar, but this works on any time frame for day trading. Click on indicators and type in Supertrend Confluence Signals. Make sure you select the one by Algo Alpha. Now, unlike traditional Supertrend that only shows you trend direction, the Supertrend Confluence Signals integrates volume dynamics, retracement detection, and multi-asset analysis into one powerful tool. After adding it to your chart, you'll notice 3 core components working together. First, you have the enhanced Supertrend line that changes color based on ATR volatility. But unlike basic Supertrend, this one adapts to market conditions dynamically. Second, you get the volumetric histogram, those colored bars above and below the Supertrend line that show you volume intensity during trends. So when volume bars are tall and bright, you know institutional money is behind the move. Third, you see the retracement arrows that appear when price pulls back to the Supertrend level without breaking it. These mark perfect continuation entries where risk-reward is optimal. But the most powerful feature is the multi-asset trend table on the right that shows you trend direction across 5 different markets and 5 different timeframes. This gives you instant confluence confirmation without cluttering your chart with multiple indicators. It's like having a complete trading room condensed into one clean, powerful tool. Most traders struggle because they rely on random signals without a clear system. That's why we focus on structured strategies and automation, so you can study how these tools work step by step without guesswork or emotions. If you want to learn more and see exactly how these strategies are applied in real market conditions, click the first link in the description. Now, to get the best day trading signal from it, let's get your settings right. Double-click on the indicator to access the settings panel. Set your ATR length to 10 for day trading, as it makes the Supertrend more responsive to intraday volatility changes without being too noisy. For the multiplier, use 2.0, because this creates the perfect balance between catching trends early and avoiding false signals during choppy sessions. Under volume settings, set the volume scale to 4 and volume TP threshold to 2. This highlights significant volume events that matter for day trading while filtering out normal fluctuations. Next, you want to enable the retracement sensitivity at 0.5, which catches pullbacks to the Supertrend line that often provide the best risk-reward entries. In the multi-asset table, configure 5 markets you actively day trade. I recommend major forex pairs, indices, and any specific assets you focus on. Now, there are 3 ways to trade this indicator, each one more powerful than the last. First is the Supertrend direction. The foundation of successful day trading is knowing the underlying trend direction, and the enhanced Supertrend provides this with institutional-grade precision. And unlike basic Supertrend that uses static calculations, this version adapts to intraday volatility using optimized ATR calculations. For perfect day trading entries, wait for clear Supertrend direction changes. When the line turns green with price above it, you have confirmed bullish bias for the session, and when it turns red with price below it, you have bearish bias. Only take long setups when the Supertrend is green, and only take short setups when it's red. The adaptive nature also means it responds quickly to intraday shifts, while filtering out the noise that kills day traders. Place your stop loss at the Supertrend line and let it trail your position as the trend continues. The second pillar of this system is volume confirmation through the volumetric histogram. Now you already know that volume is the fuel that drives price movements, and this indicator shows you exactly when institutional money is flowing into your trades. Look for volume bars that extend significantly above or below the Supertrend line. Tall, bright volume bars indicate heavy institutional participation in the current trend. For long entries, you want to see strong green volume bars above the Supertrend line, confirming that buying pressure is driving the move. For short entries, look for strong red volume bars below the Supertrend line, showing institutional selling pressure. The diamond markers highlight extreme volume events, which often mark the beginning of strong directional moves that day traders can ride for big profits. But here's a pro tip: never enter trades during periods of weak volume, small dim bars, because these moves lack the institutional backing needed for sustained momentum. But the final piece that makes this system complete is multi-asset confluence through the trend table. This is when day trading becomes exponentially more profitable when you have multiple markets confirming the same directional bias. Now, before entering any trade, check the multi-asset table for confluence. You want to see at least 3 out of 5 markets showing the same trend direction across multiple time frames. For instance, when EURUSD, GBPUSD, and DXY all show bullish trends on the 15-minute, 30-minute, and 1-hour time frames, that's powerful confluence for USD strength trades. This confluence filters out isolated moves and keeps you focused on trends with broader market support. And when all 3 pillars, Supertrend direction, volume confirmation, and multi-asset confluence align, you have the highest probability volatility day trading setups available. Before I show you the next strategy, remember this: learning indicators is one thing, but applying them within a structured process is what really matters. That's exactly why we've created a place where you can review these strategies, see live examples, and study them in real market conditions. Just click the first link in the description whenever you're ready to explore further. Now, different markets require different optimizations for day trading success. For Forex day trading, set ATR length to 8 and multiplier to 1.8. Forex sessions have distinct volatility patterns that require faster adaptation. Focus on major pairs during London and New York overlaps when volume confirmation is most reliable. For index day trading, use ATR length 12 and multiplier 2.2. Indices trend more smoothly intraday, so slightly longer periods prevent whipsaws during opening volatility. For crypto day trading, reduce ATR length to 6 and multiplier to 1.5. Crypto moves faster and more violently intraday, requiring maximum responsiveness. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.